Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 58. Ulta. Ulta. The word ulta is a verb which means to cry. Again, ulta means to cry. How do we write ulta in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ul, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an ul character followed by a real character. For the second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine these two syllables. Now let's try looking at this example. It says 저는 울어요. Again, 저는 울어요. The sentence could be subdivided into two. 저는 means I, and 울어요 is the present action of crying. So this is the present tense form of 울다. Just some more information about 저는. 저는 means I, so is the subject, and 는 is the particle added to 저 to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. And if you would remember, since 저 has a vowel ending, we chose 는 over un as the subject particle. Because as the rule says, if the subject ending is a vowel, we will add 는. And if the subject ending is a consonant, we will add un. Now let's proceed with how ulta is transformed into 울어요. So initially we have ulta, this is our verb, and the first step is to remove da. So now we're left with ul. And as we have mentioned before, we'll have to choose a suffix to add to ul. And as you can see, it's oyo that's added to ul. So why did we choose oyo? It's because the last letter or the last vowel sound of ul is not a or o. So this time we will use oyo instead of ayo. So going back to this, as mentioned a while ago, we're just left with ul, and we have chosen oyo because ul does not end with a sound a or o. So ul plus oyo is uloyo. And looking back to this, we already know by now that 저는 울어요 means I cry, or it pertains to the present action of crying. And with that, you've just learned ulta. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 48 to 57. But don't forget our word for today, word number 58, ulta, which means to cry. Next word is hada, which means to do. Next word is gada. This is a verb which means to go. Next word is poeo, and this is used to ask, what is it? Next word is i름, which means name. Next word is manada. This is a verb which means to meet. Next word is achim, which means morning. Next word is sugohaseyo, and this is used to say, keep up the good work. Next word is chonmaneyo. This is used to say, you're welcome. Next word is 없어요. This is used to say, there is no or I don't have. And the last word for our review is 있어요. This is used to say, there is, it exists, or I have. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.
제발 오지 마. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is uljima. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word uljima. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 176. Uljima. Uljima. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is ul, second syllable is ji, the third syllable is ma. Pronounce it with me. Uljima. The word uljima is an informal way of saying don't cry. Again, it means don't cry. How do we write uljima in Hangul? This is divided into three syllables, and we will start with the first one. To be able to write the syllable ul, we need to draw first a placeholder iyung, followed by the u character, followed by the real character. For the second syllable ji, we need to draw first a jiut character, followed by an e character. For the last syllable ma, we need to draw first a mium character, followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word uljima. Now, let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, please don't cry. Again, it says, please don't cry. The Korean translation of this sentence is 제발 울지마. Again, it's 제발 울지마. The word 제발 is already discussed in the channel. By the way, if you want to know more about it, you can click the link attached on the description for the full lecture about 제발. Going back to our lecture, the word 제발 means please. While uljima, our word for today, means don't cry. Let's learn more about the word uljima. Uljima actually came from the root verb ULDA, which is already discussed on this channel as well. I've also attached the link for the full video about ULDA. But the word ULDA is a root verb that means to cry. And to be able to transform this into uljima, we need to remove the da and we need to add jima. So why do we need to add jima? If you would notice, there are also other words discussed on this channel such as hajima and gajima, and both words actually mean to not do an action. And right now, we should already remember that when we add jima, it's the same as saying that an action should not be done. And for this case, that action is ulda, which is to cry. So again, when we say uljima, it's the same as saying don't cry. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 제발 울지마 is simply please don't cry. And with that, you've just learned uljima. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 166 to 175. But don't forget our word for today, word number 176, uljima. This is an informal way of saying don't cry. Word number 175 is 뭐, which means what. Word number 174 is 내가, which means I or me, and this is used as a pronoun. Word number 173 is hube, and this is the term used for junior, or this is used to address someone who is younger than you in terms of experience. Word number 172 is tonbe, and this is the Korean word for senior, or this is used to call someone older than you in terms of experience. Word number 171 is andue, and this is an informal way of saying no or no way. Word number 170 is kol, and this is used to say deal. Word number 169 is 좋아해요, and this is used to say I like you. Word number 168 is nato, which means me too. Word number 167 is agi, and this is the Korean noun for a baby or a young human. And the last for our review is word number 166, 오늘도, which means today too. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.